What happened to Tesla, one of the magnificent seven stocks of 2023? It's a question on many minds today, as the electric car company experiences a significant downfall. In a sharp contrast to its high-flying past, Tesla's stock has plummeted 26.3% this year, erasing a staggering $208 billion in market value. This dramatic fall from grace has left stock market enthusiasts and Tesla fans alike in a state of shock. To put this into perspective, let's take a look at Boeing, a company that's been grappling with its own set of challenges. Despite serious questions about its manufacturing quality, Boeing's stock drop of 21.6% this year wiped away only $34 billion in market value. Dan Ives, an analyst at Wedbush, described Tesla's situation as one of these moments, indicating a dark day for the bulls and suggesting that the door has been left open for more price cuts. This, coupled with a lack of guidance for 2024, is putting enormous pressure on Tesla's shares. A radical shift for investors as Tesla's downfall outpaces even the perennially struggling Boeing. This is a story of a giant's fall, a tale of soaring highs and crushing lows. It's the unfolding saga of Tesla's journey in the stock market. But Tesla's disaster isn't just in terms of lost stock value. The electric vehicle giant has also proven to be quite the party pooper for the S&P 500's profit growth in the final quarter of 2023. Tesla reported a year-over-year decline in non-GAAP EPS of 40% for the fourth quarter. To put it in perspective, that's a drop from $1.19 to just 71 cents. This certainly isn't the kind of performance investors were hoping for from the company that once had them on the edge of their seats. Now, let's contrast Tesla's performance with the rest of the Magnificent Seven. Nvidia, Amazon.com, Meta Platforms, Alphabet, Microsoft, and Apple have been the life of the party. These tech giants are seen reporting year-over-year earnings growth of a whopping 53.7% for the fourth quarter. Without the contribution of these six companies, the earnings decline for the remaining 494 companies in the S&P 500 would be negative 10.5% for the fourth quarter of 2023. So, where does that leave us? Well, it leaves us with a Tesla that's far from magnificent. The company's underperformance has dragged down the overall earnings growth of the S&P 500 to negative 1.4% for the fourth quarter of 2023. In the grand scheme of things, Tesla stands as an outlier in a negative sense, pulling down the overall earnings growth of the S&P 500. It's a stark reminder that even the brightest stars can falter, and when they do, they can have a significant impact on the financial cosmos. The current picture may be grim, but Tesla's future can pivot fast. A grim outlook doesn't mean that all hope is lost. In fact, financial analysts are still somewhat bullish on Tesla's future, despite the recent downturn. Interestingly, the stock is currently being tagged as a hold. It's like a game of tug of war, where the market is waiting to see which side will pull harder. Will the bulls regain control, or will the bears continue to dominate? Only time will tell. But let's look at the numbers. The average 12-month price target set by these analysts for Tesla's stock is $220.61 a share. This is nearly 21% higher than its current price. This shows that despite the recent downturn, market experts still see potential for growth. Moreover, the company's profit for the current year is expected to rise by 4.5% compared to 2023. That's a small but significant increase considering the current market conditions. And the good news doesn't stop there. Tesla's profit is projected to soar by a whopping 39.3% in 2025. These figures suggest that, while Tesla may be going through a rough patch now, there's a silver lining on the horizon. The company's potential for growth remains strong, and if these projections hold true, we could see a significant turnaround in the coming years. But for now, the reality is that Tesla investors have to settle for a stock that's far from magnificent. It's a waiting game. And while the future holds promise, the present demands patience. So, as we watch this giant navigate through these challenging times, we can only hope that it will regain its former glory and once again stand tall amongst the magnificent seven of the stock market.